Hi everyone. In this video, we will solve the 10th question from second set of mechanical engineering question paper from GATE 2019. The question is, sphere 1 with a diameter of 0.1 meter is completely enclosed by another sphere 2 of diameter 0.4 meter. The view factor F12 is option A 0.0625, option B 0.25, option C 0.5, option D 1.0. You can also refer to the NPTEL video Conduction and Radiation coordinated by IIT Madras. Before moving to the video solution, we need to know some basic useful data. The first one is view factor. What is a view factor? View factor is basically like F12 is a view factor. And what is F12? F12 is the proportion of the radiation which leaves surface 1 that strike surface 2. View factor is also known as configuration factor, form factor, shape factors. Okay, what here saying is that if there is a surface 1, okay, this is surface 1, and because of there is a heat temperature T, we know that it produces a radiation, and there is a surface 2 here. Okay, so whatever the radiation that leaves from surface 1 and that is reaching on surface 2 is called F12. In this case, we can say that not all the radiation from 1 is reaching surface 2. There are some radiation which are not reaching surface 2 and going in the other direction. So it is not complete. And we can say that the maximum value of any view factor will not be greater than 1, which will be always less than or equal to 1. And the second point we have to note down is that sum of all the view factor from a surface is 1. Okay, suppose in the above example, if I draw a new mini surface, like if there is a triangle and there is a hexagon, okay, and like that, and it covers everything, and if there is an enclosed surface, so this is surface 2, this is surface 3, surface 4, surface 5, and this is N. If there are like that, then the radiation 1 on 1 plus radiation 1 on 2, radiation 1 on 3, radiation 1 on 4, radiation 1 on 5, so on radiation 1 on N. The total sum will be 1. This is another important point that you have to understand before solving this question. Now, let us go to the video solution. So, in this case, we have given a sphere 1. The diameter is 0.1 meter. And sphere 2 is completely, like sphere 1 is completely enclosed by sphere 2 having diameter 0.4 meter. Okay, so sphere 1 is here having a diameter 0.1, and this sphere 1 is completely enclosed by another sphere 2. Okay, so this is 1 and this is 2. And what we are asked to find is what is F12. So as we have already explained above, what is F12 is the view factor 1 on 2. And we also known from the view factor property, that is sum of all the view factors will be 1. Okay, so how many surfaces are here? There are total 2 surfaces, that is F11 and F12. Okay, now F1 and F12. F11 means the radiation that is radiated on surface 1 that and reaching surface 1. But we know that for a circular or for a sphere, the radiation leaves from a body perpendicular to the surface. Okay, and there is no way that this radiation is meeting surface 1 itself, right? Whatever radiation is going from surface 1 is never reaching 1. It is always passing away from the body surface 1. Therefore, we can say that F11 is 0. Okay, and we know that since there are only two surfaces, the sum of the view factors is 1. And we know that F11 is 0. Therefore, F12 is 1. Therefore, the solution to this question is option D, that is F12 equal to 1. Coming back to the slides, the question is sphere 1 with a diameter of 0.1 meter is completely enclosed by another sphere 2 of diameter 0.4 meter. The view factor F12 is, and the solution is option D, 1.0. For more clarification and reference, you can refer to the NPTEL video Conduction and Radiation coordinated by IIT Madras. Thank you.